Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15AX. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP 15AX won't turn on, it can be quite frustrating. This issue may arise due to various reasons, such as a faulty battery, a damaged power supply, or even internal hardware failures. If not addressed promptly, you risk further damage to your device or losing important data. To ensure a successful repair, you will need a few tools. Gather a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement battery if that is what is faulty. Now, let's move on to the step-by-step repair process. First, ensure the device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by removing the screws from the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Take care to keep the screws in a safe place as you will need them for reassembly. Next, using your plastic opening tool, gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious and avoid applying too much force to prevent damaging the casing. Once the back panel is removed, you should be able to see the battery and other components. To locate the faulty component, check the battery connections first. If the battery appears swollen or damaged, it will need to be replaced. Disconnect the battery by carefully unclipping the connectors. If you're replacing the battery, align the new one and connect it securely. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After replacing the battery, ensure all screws are tightened properly and that no tools or loose components are left inside the device. Carefully reattach the back panel, ensuring all clips are secured. Finally, power on your HP 15AX to check if the issue has been resolved. If everything is working correctly, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your device. To prevent this problem from recurring, make sure to regularly check your device for any signs of wear and tear. Avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures and ensure it is charged correctly. Keeping your device clean can also help maintain its longevity. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.